We now move forward to formally appoint leaders for the year ahead. It is now time to welcome them in person. We request the newly elected student council members for the academic year 2026 and 27 to kindly step forward for the ceremony. Let us welcome them with a strong and enthusiastic round of applause as they take their place on stage, accompanied by our extraordinary school band. The Student Council represents the importance of student leadership at AGS. They embody accountability, resilience, and the values of the school. We now begin with the presentation of badges. As the badges are given, let us acknowledge each council member with our applause. Up first, we have the class representatives for grade 6. Prince Sharma, 6 Eternity. Ahana Bumb, 6 Ubiquity. Kian Desai, 6 Serenity. And Agastya Shah, 6 International. We request the respected lead teachers for preschool, Anjana ma'am and Hetal ma'am, to kindly confer the badges. Come on, audience, let's keep applauding.
Next, Vian Pansara, 7 Eternity, Dhrumi Jadeja, 7 Ubiquity, Kian Parekh, 7 Serenity, Sadhya Sinha, 7 International. We request respected lead teachers for primary section, Bhumika ma'am and Shipra ma'am, to kindly confer the badges.
Now we have Darsh Jain, 8 Eternity, Arnav Mehta, 8 Ubiquity, and Khushi Gadia, 8 International. We request respected school manager Vijay sir and respected canteen head Krupa ma'am to kindly confer the badges. Vijay sir and Krupa ma'am have been with AGS for more than 15 years. You are saying what? Now we have Aditi Solanki, 9 Eternity, Kaina Kumawat, 9 Infinity, Viha Chudasama, 10 Eternity, Benisha Bodani, 10 Infinity. We request respected lead teachers for middle and senior secondary school, Pallavi ma'am and Karuna ma'am, to kindly confer the badges. इधर ही रखना नीचे. Come on, parents, keep applauding. Now we have Arav Ashutosh, 11 Humanities, Siddhant Rajpal, 11th Commerce, Hitat Shah, 11 Science, Kalash Iyer, 12 Humanities, Gaurav Bodani, 12th Commerce, and Zishan Gandhi, 12th Science. We request respected lead teacher for senior secondary school, Rajesh sir, respected HR head, Diksha ma'am, and our senior most teachers at AGS, Rashmi ma'am and Mithu ma'am, to kindly confer the badges.
Moving on to the AGS ambassadors, we have Riva Kothari and Priyal Gangwani. We request respected Shruti ma'am, the head mistress of foundation years, and respected Deepa ma'am, the section head for primary to secondary school, to kindly confer the badges. Moving on to the Green Crusaders, we have Hriday Singh and Aral Vyas. We request honorable guests Taral Bakeri sir and Prachi Bakeri ma'am to kindly confer the badges.
Moving on to the cultural heads, Radha Popat and Arav Sultania. We request the guests of honor, Sandeep sir and Tushar sir, to kindly confer the badges.
Let's keep the applause going, audience.
And now we have the sports captains, Arush Thakkar, Sachi Thakkar, Purvansh Chandak, and Giara Jain. I request respected Principal Ma'am, Nivedita Ma'am, Vice Principal Priyanka Ma'am, and the academic head Mala Ma'am to kindly confer the badges.
Moving on to the Wise House captains. Tara, Yashika Modi, Aqua, Arna Shah, Kalam, Josh Jain, and Ignis Riza Virani. We request respected school trustees, Param Sir and Prachi Ma'am to kindly confer the badges.
We would also like to welcome Prithvi Param Shah, our youngest applet, son of Prachi Ma'am and Param Sir, who is attending his first AGS event.
Moving on to the house captains. Tara, Devik Gondalia, Aqua, Aryan Singh, Kalam, Triya Patel, and Ignis Shivya Mishra. We request our honorable guests, Mukesh Sir and Zenia Ma'am, to kindly confer the badges.
Bhavika, Joy Sir.
Bhavika, two different.
Joy Sir, sir.
Moving on to the wise head girl and wise head boy, Somya Thakur and Divit Nirmal. We request honorable guests Nitina ma'am and Bhavika Joycer ma'am to kindly confer the badges.
Can we have a bigger round of applause?
And now we have the head girl, Renesha Goswami, and the head boy, Jayant Chandak. We request our respected school trustees, Lisa ma'am and Jigish sir, to kindly confer the badges.
With the badges conferred, we now move to the most solemn part of the ceremony, the oath taking. We request respected school trustee Param sir to kindly lead us with the oath.
Student Council of 2627, please repeat after me. We, the Student Council members of Apple Global School, solemnly pledge to serve our school and fellow students with integrity and dedication, to foster unity, cooperation, and respect within our school community, to act as positive role models and promote academic excellence, to advocate for the rights and well-being of all students, to work with teachers, staff, and parents to create a supportive environment, to uphold the traditions and values of Apple Global School. Congratulations, Student Council 2627.
Congratulations to the Student Council of 2026 and 27. We hope this journey gives you experiences that challenge you, shape you, and stay with you long after the term comes to an end. We now proceed for the official group photograph. We request all council members to maintain their positions. We also request Shruti ma'am and Shakil sir, who trained the council for the march past, to join the photograph, along with our respected school trustees, Lisa ma'am, Jigish sir, Param sir. Also, we request Nivedita ma'am and the honorable chief guests to join the photograph. And now we request the class representatives to join the photograph. Okay, this then. No, they are already. We would now like to invite the newly appointed school ambassador team and the school cultural team on stage. The AGS ambassador team, Joy Savlani, Alvina Dhar, and Shravya Singh.
The school cultural team, Khwaish Kaurani, Adrika Mitra, Maurya Desai, Nivan Jain, Janish Shah, Toshit Gulati, Shanaya Chabra, Agna Jain. The AGS ambassador team and cultural team will be working closely with the core student council and be adding to the spirit of our school. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.